Hello and welcome back to Social Adventures' new YouTube series. In this video we're going to be going through the fitness pack, talking about the content, what you can do with it, and letting you know how you can get your hands on yours. So first things first, you will get either a hat or gloves. We are aware that the weather is changing and winter is coming, and we want you to keep warm and keep you fit outside. So yeah, gloves, hat. Also in the pack, you will get the Salford Trail Walk 3 from Kersal to Clifton map. Now this is a great walk. You can do this on your own, you can do this with friends, socially distanced, you can do this with family or household members. And this, like I said, takes you all the way from Kersal to Clifton, and it lists all the things you can see, all the things you can walk by, gives you a detailed map to follow, and some other nice little places on the walk for you to stop, visit, maybe take a picnic, take a camera, take some pictures. So yeah, that'll come in the pack. Along with that, you will receive this Change for Life meatballs and sauce recipe, which is a healthy version of meatballs and pasta. And if you stay tuned, we will be doing a video on cooking this meal very soon. So you can follow along, get involved, make this. Also in the pack, this is what's going to keep you fit, is we will be sending you a resistance band. Now, many different colours, and you will get a set of handles. So on here we've got the grip handles, and on this one we have the Velcro handles. Both equally as good, both help, both can do the exercises with. You will also be given this. Now this details some of the exercises you can do at home with the band. So we've got the bicep curl, the lateral shoulder raise, we've got the overhead tricep press and the overhead shoulder press. If you can do them daily, this is really good. It's a variety of exercise. It can help build lean muscle, burn calories, and just help your mind keep you focused, keep you feeling good. Yeah, you'll get either set of handles, you can use either for all 4 exercises, and if you go on Google and have a look, there's plenty more other things you can do with a resistance band. They're great pieces of kit to have at home. Finally, once you've done your exercise or once you've done your walk, it's really important to cool down, check in with your body, check in with yourself. We love to do that. So we will be sending you this. Now these are 4 different yoga poses, each made to center you, help your breathing, calm you down, check in yourself. So you've got the cow, you've got the cat-cow pose, you've got the butterfly pose, which is great for calming yourself, calming your mind, calming your body. And then we've got the rainbow pose, good stretch, especially with resistance bands. And we've got the mountain pose, which this helps posture, it strengthens your legs and the muscles inside. So yeah, let us know if you want one by commenting on this video, giving it a like, dropping us a message, and we will send one out to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep us updated on your fitness journey.